Oh, sure, Avishi, j'espère que vous allez bien. So, recently you cleared your Delphi B1. So, how was your experience with myself? Because I trained you again. And how was your experience with Learn French Only? Like to know.
For sure, sir. Thank you so much. So, as per experience, I joined LFE with not a lot of confidence. In for A2, A2 I cleared with Saurabh sir itself. He had been training me, and even B1 I cleared with you. So amazing experience. I really don't think like the first thing I texted you after I cleared B1 was that last September I didn't think this September I would be giving to. And yeah, it's kind of like the pace. The pace with which we've been clearing things, like in 3 months we could get through one paper very easily, and the consistency also that professors, right now I'm doing B2, so even that, and even with you the same.
Superb. Even you contacted me for A1, but again we took a decision to clear
Yeah.
directly A2 rather going A1 because A1 is very basic. So you have some base knowledge in your hand because you learned bit in school as well. And
You were the one who pushed me कि नहीं A1 नहीं A2 ही करते हैं सीधा.
definitely, because if you have the capacity, if you're putting the efforts, why not? And I think you joined us in the month of September only, right? Last September.
August end, so approximately one month we had, less than a month.
Less than a month, and we cleared the exam for A2. Correct. And then we go for B1, and B2 is already lined up. So superb. Even we also look for students like you who are very consistent and following this pace, because language is again the process of continuity. If you are if you are in continuity process, then it make more sense, and you also start connecting dot by dot. So that's how the language learning works.
Right. Even when I had to take a break because of my final exams, and ideally I was supposed to give B1 in March, but I
Right.
gave it in June. So even if I had like a 2 months gap, you made sure that last May also I would cover up with mocks and stuff. And oh, how can I forget that what did we say, the conversation. The first thing I told you after exams was that this was the one which you were grilling me on, and it was the one that went the best. The conversation in oral.
Right. Because being an Indian, we guys only stuck in speaking and in listening, right? Because at the end, we guys feel we are confident कि backend पे comprehension oral and writing तो we can easily manage, correct? But if we have to face someone, that's the only major problem. And obviously, it's my job, it's my duty to grill you accordingly so that you will perform better. Because I guess in classes हमारा इतना जजरोल अच्छा नहीं आ रहा था, but certainly हमारा result बहुत अच्छा रहा because of that grills. चलो, even grilled chicken is also amazing, huh? That's how the results are. Superb. Chalo, that's great. It's tough to have you, and great to have you on board and doing such a fabulous job. And we will be catching up again
After
for
B2, hopefully.
B2 wala thing, and we will be doing that testimonial as well. Even we had A2, now B1, and then superb. Chalo, definitely it will help you in your career perspective, and it will give you the good exposure as well. Okay, thank you, Avishi, for your
Thank you so
kind
much.
words.